Hey guys, so this is going to be our first take demo run in a sense. I've got the drone, I've got the DSLR, you guys can see stuff there. It's actually pretty big. I've got a microphone and I've got the whole shebang. I've got the gorilla pod. See, it's pretty intense here in good old Christchurch. Sun's out, guns out, let's get it. On the way to Taylor's Mistake, as you guys can see, beautiful day. Got the GPS there, I'm not too sure if you guys can see. This is pretty good. It's a good Saturday day. It is the 2nd of December? Yeah, 2nd of December 2017. Musta mo dia, bay? Kira.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
The terror from the Kalina brothers.
Halibard. What's up, bay? Musta, te?
Hi, Dodong!
Musta? Patay mo diha.
Ito ka na, anong may naamang kay anak? O sa neblihan kay nindot kayong sakyanan ni ko.
Wow! Zam!
Wow!
What's up, Kazi?
Hi!
Steam day puto, te.
Steam. Puto flan. Yayamanin ka talaga, Andrew boy.
Di mo ko nag-invest, te. Kay mga para future ba? Para sa future. Patay ka na, Bibs! Bulo ka niya! Sun's out, guns out. Let's go. Sponsor? Asa sponsor? Patay.
Wow!
Sige, unsa ka, Bibs? Pinala ka, Bibs. Lakaw niya.
Bayad Andrew ha.
Tanin City FTF. Wide angle biya kay bayta na. Naguniti ra gud. Nga ngari lang.
Hey, we're right here in Godly Head. What?
Wide angle ka.
Bagay dyan ba? Gaan ang dito. Gaan.
Ganya, babe. Mga guro na gamiton nila ko.
Oh,
Well, that's a bit.
nila
Sila kuan. Sila wheel. Bantog na magkita ko ng kamera nga. Ano kung ato tanaw na?
Na, gaan. Kana katuya kay 770 di man tuya ha.
Kana sa imo ha.
200 di gamay na ka. Kaya ko tuya pergaan.
Wala ning duta ni, oy. Babe, can we buy this?
December. What?
How much is it?
Yan. Choy, can you buy? Yan na stabilizer.
Less than 2K.
Less than what?
Yung camera?
Apil lens.
Boo. Ano na? Hey, boo. Hey.
Sa photo warehouse. I can show you all the deals. Barato.
Babe, less than 2K na.
Kana nga set up.
Less than what?
2K.
Shit, pretty
I'd say
good.
mga 1.5 ka pin. 1.8.
Kita ko nilang wheel. Ito, no?
Nag-record ni?
Nag-record na.
Ay,
Nya. Makabarato na kayo ba?
Before, what? One time, kailangan pa stabilizer? Ano mo rin stabilizer, oh?
Stabilize kayo.
Tungkol ba siya wide siya? Dili ka siya mo shake tanawon ba?
Wow!
Nice.
Talaga dro umunta ka dro.
Yeah.
Duglang.
Right, ikaw ka ba nam na kanang mga mag-anap na sila kanang
Nagkuha ko
Yeah.
pick up ko na.
kanang kuan ba? Modeling kanang para sponsoran ka.
ano?
Na kanang pinaanaw.
Wow!
It's the sun. Kaya kanang pinaanaw, babe. Gusto ka mo banggang Bisaya? Dili basta-basta Bisaya. Dili ni in English kaya muang dila Bisaya, 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 Bisaya.
Ayu.
Okay ra bisagasa basta kuyog tang duha.
Wana.
Okay ra bisagasa basta kuyog tang duha.
Kung asa
Na nagkalibutan okay ra. Okay ra bisag asa basta kuyog tang duha. Na
Okay ra, bahala na. Tang duha, bahala na.
Labay sa langit.
For Pinas.
Okay ra, bisag sa basta kuyog tanduha, biyaan at ng kalibutan, okay ra.
Mag. Bitaw. Amaris, May, June, July, August, September.
Bog. Yun na yung facility. Sige na kaganahan. Ang ba?
Tagal mga friend ha.
Hoy, kayo ah! Hi!
Basta na.
Oops! Yan! Hi! Asam? Drawing. Hindi yan kumama siya ha?
Yan na ka
Lamaya
naman.
yun, tapos may
Imaw.
iba.
Among baby.
Breathing the summer
Beating the summer heat with baby Amaris.
Beating the summer heat with baby Amara.
Oh, bebe oh. Baday. Iday, iday, iday. Yummy!
Basta may maturya no?
Kinalami.
Akong masturya kay
Ali dire.
ding ice pop.
Ali dire, ali dire. Diri lang ka.
Lami gud ni karong summer.
Maris, Lia.
Palit na mo ron.
Pero
Hi! O say hi! Ang hirap, mahirap ang sand.
And if you're not working,
Betul na.
Go say hi, Grace! What are you doing? Ano ko? Kiss! 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 Kiss!
Forced.
Why? Kiss! Kiss! Look at me! Look at me! Paliguan ko na lang uli.
gagot ka kay mga friend.
Dra.
Oh my God.
Dra.
Malaki. Makalat yun. Paliguan ko na lang. Smile. Explosion.
Explosion. Oh my gosh.
Ano eh? Get the car.
Exploring.
Inisa.
Amaris the Explorer. Wow, dalaga na. Uy, uy. Wow, give ang ball sa tree.
Bebe, mag-ano tayo?
Now what? Nasa makita ba?
Pag may signal.
Nasa makita. Nasa makita, di na to makita. Wala, bus mo ko rin na si Bibi. Bye-bye! Oh! Damn! Uy, si Bibi, si Bibi!
Amaris!
Videohan ko lang. Amaro!
Mari!
Camaro.
Si Hali ug si Hasan.
Black Camaro.
Amar!
Black Camaro, Black Camaro.
Mag-shopping ka mo?
No, talagang hanap ka talaga ng way, no? Kabaka ka, no?
Bye. Life of a boyfriend.
Life of boyfriend.
Sa may thoughts
I
mo na.
just follow the lead.
Allah, ano yung follow the lead? Sa may thoughts mo na, babes.
Sabi niya,
Allah! Ang sa to balik. Ano gina, babes? Napiha.
Wala nga eh.
Wow.
Hindi mabait niya yung Czech Republic.
Wow, check. So check ng Czech Republic.
Darian.
Tapos na.
Iba pa yun? Wala na. After na yung kay Darian.
Wow, so hindi na babalik.
Bye-bye, my friend!
Sige, sige.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
We'll see you again next
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
time. Stewie, thank you ha. Next time
Next time, next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Oh, si Bibi Amaris. Bibi Amaris! Bye-bye.
consistent man yun si Angie
Saan?
Rocky.
Saan sa?
sa event.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Invite sa mga invites.
Ing na lang ko. I'll be there somehow. See you guys. Woo! So hot, holy crap. Oh my god. So hot. We'll be fine. Finished going to the beach. Just gonna head to dinner right now.
Oh, I missed drinking this.
We missed this
Since we arrived, we have not
when
drunk
we're in India.
every day.
It is an Indian tea. This is yummy.
This time with my family for a wedding. I'm so blessed that I had a wedding that I never thought would have. A full-on Indian wedding, days of celebration filled with happiness. Now as me and Harmon approach our future together, I look forward of building our own home filled with love and happiness together with our very supportive and caring family.
At sa ikaingon ni mas video ba?
Nindot. Nice kayo.
Nice kayo.
The best. The video is so nice.
Pwede na.
Fly.
Sige na. Fly.
Ingon nga ba o nga bauing ka na bang nice yung kayo. Ang pagkakwa nila ba?
Katong highlights. Nice kayo dito.
Kamo lang sa kaon kay like I'm just so full as well.
Oh,
you not eating now?
Because you have lunch at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we had food like late.
Oh, this is nice. I would just imagine I'm still back in India.
Or drumstick?
Puro ko ng drumstick ko na. Sige, malagwi nga ako nakaon.
Drumstick bit.
Wala ba yung kaya wicked wings?
Naunhan ka sa ubang tao. Pero kaya siya ka-easy, pwede na siya kanuan. Pagawa siya naman sa kabukog.
Matwist ni Mama.
Sige, balita ko nakitaan.
Ako gibang ko.
Oo, okay.
Luar mo ako.
What is that, milk?
Yeah, milk and water. I think that's the jar from your mom, no?
दूध है?
What do you call this? Aside from being
This
barbecue,
tastes
like
Barbie.
barbecue.
Dairy, no dairy.
Where's that caramel slice? Caramel slice.
It's like $100 kg.
Where's that caramel slice?
Oh, Martin. Martin.
See you dance. Ganun niya kalong. Yato ba?
Amutan.
Today's environment is the brilliance and need to be successful. And so as somebody who has been a practitioner and attacking that skill set, not only for myself, but for the biggest brands in the world, on the back of an 800-person agency that does all quant and qual work, I have a very unique perspective and I'm very intrigued by it. I'm very intrigued by how many people think it is better to spend money on a print ad in a B2B magazine than it is to run Facebook ads. I'm intrigued by so many people here that are so much quicker to spend, for the 8th year in a row, 25,000 euros to sponsor a fucking conference. Day trading of attention. What's underpriced and overpriced attention? If you're in America and you want to sell product to an under 30-year-old kid, a pair of sneakers, Snapchat should have 50% of your money, regardless of how good of a deal Snapchat stock is, because that's the end consumer's attention. So overpriced. Do you know that you pay 8 to 12 times circulation as the CPM cost for a print ad in case Jorge leaves the magazine on the bus and Susan picks it up and goes to page 97 and sees your ad? The lack of practicality is so obnoxious, yet there are people here who comfortably buy print ads because that's what we've always done, while asking what the ROI of Facebook and LinkedIn is.
What's up, guys? So, basically at the end of my day today. Pretty good day actually. Woke up pretty early, 7 a.m. Went to the beach at around about 11 a.m. Went to dinner at 5 p.m. sometime with the family. So yeah, pretty good so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up with just editing this one at the same time. Just gonna be doing a lot of stuff for studio, maybe just brainstorming for YouTube. So I'm gonna be doing that. Should be pretty good. Might actually start shooting some YouTube clips now. So I think I'm thinking of starting about 2-3 YouTube channels, but I'll be focusing more on Facebook Watch out, because I'm definitely going to be going for that. So who knows, we'll see. Yeah, wish me luck, guys, and yeah, that's it for me. Peace out. Just watching some Will Dasovich vlog while doing some jump rope. Pretty good. Now time for some workout. Random fireworks.